because the man who became known as the DC sandwich guy actually wore a medical mask over the lower part of his face and covered the top of his face with his hands, obviously sick of all the attention as he left this federal courthouse on Tuesday. He was shielding himself from cameras. Sean Dunn went viral for throwing a sandwich at U.S. Customs and Border Patrol agent Greg Larimer outside a club on August 10th on 14th Street. The incident was captured on video. It became a symbol of Washington's resistance to Donald Trump sending in federal law enforcement to fight crime here in the district. Now, during opening statements here at the federal courthouse on Tuesday, prosecutors told the jury, "We all may have views about the federal law enforcement presence in D.C. That is not what this case is about. You can't just go around," is what they told the jury, "throwing stuff at people when you're mad. You can't do it to your neighbor, and you can't do it to law enforcement." But Dunn's defense attorney argued the sandwich toss was protected speech, an exclamation point on his First Amendment protest of federal agents' presence outside the club that night. He did it. He threw the sandwich. That's what the defense attorney told the jury. You are going to be asked whether what occurred that night, that sandwich throw, was a federal crime. Now, I played the video at trial here on Tuesday over and over again of Dunn verbally confronting the group of federal agents for several minutes. That Customs and Border Patrol agent Larimer described it as a profanity-laced tirade. He testified Dunn threw the sandwich so hard it exploded against his bulletproof vest. And he said this, quote, "I could smell the onions and mustard," after it exploded against his vest. Now, some jurors were seen holding back laughter as this video was replayed in court a couple times. The prosecutors stressed the matter is actually really serious. Dunn is standing trial on a misdemeanor assault charge after the DOJ failed to convince a grand jury to indict him on a felony. Now, when I asked Dunn if he was going to testify today, he said no comment. The jury is expected to get the case today, and we are expecting a verdict in the sandwich guy assault trial.